Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get time jumpers fast. To begin, consistently complete your daily challenges and claim all login rewards. These provide a steady stream of time jumpers. Next, always engage with limited time events, as they often offer significant bonuses, sometimes yielding 50% more than regular activities. Finally, identify and repeatedly play game modes that have a proven higher drop rate for time jumpers, such as the Chrono Vault. One of the most reliable methods is completing the weekly Chrono Vault challenge, which guarantees a substantial number of time jumpers upon completion. Additionally, visit the Time Weaver Merchant. You can often exchange 100 Chrono Shards for 25 time jumpers, making it a consistent conversion method. Don't forget to join an active guild, as many group activities and guild quests offer collective rewards, including valuable time jumpers for all members. To truly maximize your acquisition, always use booster items that can double your time jumper drops for a limited duration, typically 60 minutes. It's wise to save your energy or stamina for high-yield activities, especially during special bonus periods, ensuring every effort counts. Consider strategically spending your in-game currency on special bundles that offer a favorable ratio of time jumpers, often providing a 25% better value than individual purchases. For advanced players, always review patch notes for information on upcoming events or newly introduced farming locations that might offer superior time jumper yields. Collaborating with friends or a dedicated team can significantly speed up the completion of difficult content, leading to faster rewards. Most importantly, maintain a consistent play schedule. Even 30 minutes daily can prevent you from missing out on crucial daily rewards and limited time opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.